Gastroparesis. And can the Reflux Shield help with gastroparesis? Well, first, let's dive into gastroparesis, right? So what is gastroparesis? Gastroparesis is a chronic disorder where it takes a long time for the food to get into your stomach and then empty out through your stomach. So I get this a lot, almost every week, and the answer is yes. The Reflux Shield absolutely helps with the slowing of the emptying of the contents of food through your esophagus into your stomach. Now, the medical experts, say that it comes from medication. Yes, it can come from medication, and it comes from diet in severe cases, but also surgery. Sure, it can come from those things, but the main reason why people get gastroparesis is because of a hiatal hernia. When your stomach herniates up through the diaphragm, it closes the sphincter and compromises it. So now food going down your esophagus is slowed down at the gastroesophageal junction right here. And yeah, you're going to have slowing of emptying of the stomach and just digestion of food, period, with a hiatal hernia. So if you have acid reflux or GERD or LPR or silent reflux, and you also have bloating after you eat, and you feel like full very quickly after you eat, it doesn't take much, that's because you have gastroparesis from a hiatal hernia. They fail to mention that a hiatal hernia is probably the most common reason for developing gastroparesis, which is just shocking to me that they don't tell you this, and they chalk it up to diabetes or surgery. And yeah, that can cause gastroparesis, but that's not the underlying cause of gastroparesis, and very rarely it is the cause. It's just rare. It's not as common. Surgery more common than diabetes to cause gastroparesis. But I guarantee you have a hiatal hernia, whether it was diagnosed or not via endoscopy or via barium swallow, which are only 30 to 40% effective at reading or diagnosing a hiatal hernia. So yes, the Reflux Shield absolutely helps with gastroparesis. It speeds up the ability for food to get from the esophagus down into the stomach and then eventually empty out of the stomach and get assimilated into the body. So I hope that helps you guys. I hope that answers your question. And if you've never had the osteopathic manipulative technique for acid reflux, check out the Reflux. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.